First mover Americas, Bitcoin hovers below $48K. Immutable X Soars. The latest price moves in crypto markets and context for February 12, 2024. This article originally appeared in First Mover, CoinDesk's daily newsletter, putting the latest moves in crypto markets in context. Subscribe to get it in your inbox every day. Latest prices, top stories. Despite Bitcoin BTC starting the week lower, the leading cryptocurrency by market value has risen more than 13% in the 7 days to February 12, the biggest one-week gain since October. The CoinDesk 20 index, a measure of the biggest cryptocurrencies, added 11%. Continued inflows into the U.S. Base spot BTC exchange-traded funds ETFs probably overshadowed reports of bankrupt crypto lender Genesis seeking approval to liquidate its $1.6 billion Bitcoin holdings. Ether ETH was down almost 2% on Monday and Bitcoin lost around 1%. The token of Immutable X IMX, a layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum that focuses on NFTs and gaming, jumped as much as 8% over the same period. IMX has gained 33% in 7 days. At the end of January, Immutable launched zkEVM early-stage mainnet access. The ecosystem is supposed to help games thrive, offering gas-free interaction for gamers and smart contract compatibility. The Philippines is likely to issue a wholesale central bank digital currency CBDC within 2 years, Central Bank Governor Ali Romolona Jr. told journalists, but doesn't plan to use the blockchain or digital ledger technology that underpins many virtual assets. Other central banks have tried blockchain, but it didn't go well. Romolona said, the Inquirer reported Monday. CBDC are digital tokens issued by central banks. Retail CBDC can be used by the general public, whereas wholesale ones are exclusively for institutional use. The Philippine Central Bank started an exploratory study into CBDC in 2020. The Bank for International Settlements, which coordinates between central banks worldwide, in November said that institutions aren't sufficiently prepared for the risks posed by CBDC. New York Attorney General Letitia James amplified the civil fraud case against digital currency group DCG, now saying the company is responsible for $3 billion in investor losses tied to the Gemini Earn product and to direct investments with Genesis, according to a Friday court filing. As stated in October's initial $1 billion fraud lawsuit against DCG, its defunct lending platform Genesis and Gemini Trust Company, the companies are accused of misleading investors and assuring them of the safety of their money even as the company's managements were aware that doom fast approached them. The fraud case focused at first on the Gemini Earn investment program that Genesis and Gemini ran together, but after the lawsuit, James' office said many more investors raised complaints of being swindled by Genesis more directly. Chart of the day. The chart shows the ratio between derivatives Ether and Bitcoin DVOL indices. DVOL represents annualized 30-day implied volatility or expectations for price turbulence over the next 4 weeks. The negative ratio shows that Ether volatility is underpriced relative to Bitcoin, even though Ethereum's Denkan upgrade is just 4 weeks away. Source, Amberdata Onkar Godboll trending posts. Ethereum validator entry Q signals renewed interest in staking. New Zealand central banker Adrian Orr says stablecoins aren't stable. Report Ripple-owned crypto custody firm Medico CEO and head of product department